and welcome back to my channel. Hey. Basically today I was thinking I could do like Halloween stuff because it's almost Halloween, it's spooky season, and we need to stay in spooky season because it's not Christmas yet. So I'm gonna do like a bunch of makeup videos really like I did a while ago, but I'm gonna like follow tutorials from makeup artists, like real ones. I'm gonna do like a really simple cloud thing. Without further ado, let's get started. I have this really loose brush, and I'm just gonna lightly put some on the crease. I can't find the brush I'm looking for. Okay. Now I have some white liquid liner. I really hope this works. Let me tell y'all one thing, it's definitely not as easy as makeup artists make it look. Oh my god. I mean, this side isn't even too bad, I guess, but then... It is completely hardened on my eyelashes. Other stuff. This is gonna be really bad again. Keep on my eyebrow. And that is the finished clown look. Who's the clown now? Hope you liked it. Maybe you'll recreate it. Maybe you'll do better than me.
And then the days got worse and worse, and now you see I've gone completely out of my mind. And they're coming to take me away, haha, they're coming to take me away. Oh, yeah, to the bloody farm, where life is beautiful. Salagadoola, metricaboola, bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Hey. What's up?